Hey amiga, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross back at it again with yet another video. In today's video I am gonna do a hair tutorial type of thing. It's the first time that I tried this, but I just woke up this morning and I was like, I need to run some errands and I wanna look cute. I'm gonna take my time to do my makeup and I'm also gonna try something cute with my hair, and this is what I came up with. So I figured, like, let me share this with my besties because, you know, sharing is caring. Let me know if you want to see more hair videos, then I will definitely make sure to make more. Shout out to all the new people subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for joining my squad, the Amiga squad. And over here we do all types of videos, so I hope you enjoy your time here. I think we're gonna go ahead and get into the tutorial part of this video. Let's go. Okay amiga, we are gonna get started with this hair. The first thing we need to do is put this hair up in a ponytail. I have my hair straight right now, or at least it's blown out. It's been straight the last week. So what I'm gonna do is just try to put it up in a ponytail. And what I'm gonna do is just try to brush it, like, you know, very carefully, because I have some of this Red One hair wax in my hair. It's their aqua gel wax and this is just a black one, but this stuff is really tough, so it's the best edge control I have ever used. So if you're looking for a good edge control, then definitely try that out. But what I'm doing is just brushing my hair back. Okay, and then the rest of my hair I'm gonna brush that too. Okay. Now I'm gonna use some more of this gel or wax, whatever you want to call it. I'm just gonna put that like on the edges. And then with a boar bristle, I think it's called boar bristle brush. Excuse me if I'm wrong, you guys. I'm not American, or English is not my native language, but a brush like this, you know? And then you brush it back and up into a ponytail. This stuff is like glue, honestly. Then next we take a hair tie. This is just one of those without the metal thing, because we don't want our hair to get snagged. So we just put it up in the ponytail. You can do the ponytail as high or as low as you want. Then I just take my brush and I just detangle my ponytail. And then I just twist this up into a 2-strand twist. And I just secure the end with a little hair tie. It's a very thick hair tie, but like normally I would take like a smaller one. Then next I just take a small little toothbrush and I'm gonna dip that into this stuff. And we're gonna just do a little bit of edge art, I would say. Like, just like slick the edges as I like. I don't like to do too crazy of an edge, so. Like so, this is enough for me. Next, I'm just gonna tie my hair down with a satin scarf. So it's just nothing special, it's just a regular schmegular hair scarf. Tie it down for about like 5 to 10 minutes. While I get the Kanekalon hair ready. I'm gonna use 2 bundles of Kanekalon hair. Bundles, that sounds so fancy, but like, you know what I mean. I'm gonna leave these things on because I want to use this hair later on for some other purposes. But what I do, I grab a ponytail holder, I put that through the middle, and then I loop it, and I just put the other side under the loop, if that makes sense. So you basically just loop it all together. And I heard this trick somewhere. I don't know if it really works, so we're gonna try it today. But I heard that Kanekalon hair tangles less if you blow dry it a little bit. So if this video doesn't make the internet, it means the Kanekalon hair melted and we have no hair to work with. So I'm so nervous to do this. You have no idea, but like, okay, that's it, because this shit is plastic and I really am not looking forward to this hair melting on me. So I have no idea. I'm not gonna like test it even further. So I've left the headscarf on for about 5 minutes and now I'm just gonna take that down. Ooh, it looks smooth. I'm gonna take the ponytail holder on the 2 hair thingies and just wrap that around my hair. Just do that about 2 times. And now what I'm gonna do is, should I take the hair down already? I think I'm gonna take the hair down. Oh my god, I hope this turns out cute, because I have somewhere that I need to go and I really am not looking forward to finding something else to do with my hair right now. Okay, so next I just take my own little twist and I just like pin it down to, I roll it up and I pin it down with some bobby pins. I take all of this hair and I just flip it over my bun. Just roll up under here. And I take a good piece of hair, like that much. And I just like set this hair in place. Hope this works. Did that work though? I don't know. I'm just gonna pin this in place. I hope that works. And then I take one piece from this side. It still tangles a little bit though. And then I wrap that around this side of the bun to make it even more secure. Final look. I'm just gonna quickly change into something a little nicer and I'll be right back. Okay. But that is it for today's video, amiga. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoyed. Before we close off this video, I want to shout out the comment of the day. Today's comment of the day comes from the video of my wash day, because I have a new video up as we are filming this right now. But the video has not been up for a very long time. It's just up for 20 minutes, I believe. So we're gonna just grab a comment from my wash day routine, and that comment is from Faye Hernandez, and she says, ha ha ha, oh my god, I love this video. You are so funny, love your videos, babe. Keep up the good work. Un beso, amiga. Oh, that is so freaking cute. This is my bestie. She's Felicia. She's my best friend. So thank you so much for leaving this nice comment and just keep giving me that boost to, you know, keep going, because believe it or not, all these nice comments are just what keeps me going. So thank you, amiga, for leaving me that nice comment. If you want to be highlighted in my next video, then leave me a nice comment down below. And yes, subscribe, like, comment, do all of that, share if you want. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys!